Hey there! Today, we're making something cozy and elegant, mini tiramisu cups. First, brew a strong cup of coffee. Let it cool while we prepare the cream. Whip cold, heavy cream with sugar and a hint of vanilla until it turns soft and fluffy. Now, gently fold in smooth mascarpone. This is what makes tiramisu so creamy and rich. Take ladyfinger cookies, dip them quickly in coffee. Don't let them soak too long. Layer them into small glasses. Cookie, cream, cookie, cream. Dust the top with cocoa powder. It's the final touch. Place in the fridge for at least 1 hour. And there you have it, beautiful individual tiramisu cups. Perfect for sharing or maybe keeping all to yourself.